But anyway, giving to all of you, and thank you so much for the time. Actually, the call time is 7:30, but the start of time talaga is 8 p.m. Exact 8 p.m. But anyway, bago po magbigay ng mensahe, welcome to our Project Watch under the GCA7 Philippines. We advocate time consciousness and honesty. Kaya siguro po naging national chairman. Mula bata pa lang po hanggang paglaki, hindi ko po talaga kaya magsinungaling. Dahil honest po talaga akong tao. That's why I'm very flattered. It's a real honor na maging national chairman ng Project Watch. Kaya bago po ko magbigay ng mensahe for welcome remarks, unang-una magbibigay po kayo muna po ako, of course, sa ating national president. Even though he knows na sobrang sipag ko, kaya wala po akong boses, but I'm thankful na ang napakasipag na ating national president ng GCA7 Philippines na tulungan tayo para sa ating fundraising. Of course, a Time to Watch concert. Palapakan po natin. Of course, National President GCA7 Philippines, Eduardo Echa. Especially with his First Lady, kanyang wife, Ma'am Senator Sonia Echa. Our founder of the Project Watch, GCA Senator Cesar Choa. Maraming salamat. National Secretary General, NSD, Senator Mike David. Our Project Watch National Chairman, of course, past National Chairman, GCA Senator Agi Ananas. Actually, siya po may kasalanan. NP. Si Senator Agi may kasalanan kung bakit ako naging national chairman. Ninominate ako ni Senator Agi na akala ko aatin lang ako ng meeting sa El Club. So sabi ko mag-active lang ako as member. And nagulat ako, wow, ginawa niyo akong national chairman. I told her, Tita Agi, tatanggapin ko itong position nito, but the one condition, gagabayan niyo ako at igagayan niyo ako ng mga